Are you ready for a flavor explosion that will make your taste buds dance? Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make a creamy Cajun shrimp pasta dish that is amazing. A delicious seafood delight that's packed full of Cajun flavorings. And the best part is, this meal can be made in under 30 minutes. Before we start cooking, let's make the Cajun seasoning. You'll need to add to a bowl 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of dried basil, a half a teaspoon of white pepper, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And give that all a mix. That's simple enough to make our seasoning. And now let's get the rest of our ingredients, starting with 1 pound of linguine pasta, 1.5 pounds of shelled and deveined shrimp, whatever size you can get your hands on. Make sure your shrimp is thawed, and if you need to thaw it quickly, go ahead and place it in a colander and run it under some warmish water, or put it in a bowl with cool water for 10 to 15 minutes. Next thing we need is 6 tablespoons of salted butter divided into 3 tablespoon pieces. 3 bell peppers of various colors and sliced up. I love that there are multiple choices to choose from, and it's true when they say you eat with your eyes, so make it look good. 1 bunch of green onions, and a little trick I love is to simply use kitchen scissors and snip them into those little pieces that you need. Then we need 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. And last ingredient is 2 cups of heavy cream, which if you need a substitute, you could use coconut cream. Now let's get to cooking and get that pasta in the water. And we're gonna cook that according to the package instructions. While the pasta's cooking, we're gonna prep our shrimp and season that with 1 teaspoon of that Cajun seasoning. And in a large skillet or pan over medium-high heat, heat up those 3 tablespoons of butter. Add in the shrimp and cook those for about 3 minutes until they are solid pink in color. The shrimp is cooked perfectly, so we're gonna remove that from the pan. Then in the same skillet, add in those 3 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter get bubbly and scrape some of those delicious drippings. Then add into the pan the bell peppers, the mushrooms, and the green onions. Give that a stir and let the veggies saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. Our veggies are a little more tender, and we're gonna add to that 2 teaspoons of that Cajun seasoning. Let that cook for 1 more minute. Pour in those 2 cups of heavy cream, and then you're gonna wanna bring that to a simmer. We're gonna let that simmer for 2 more minutes. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Stir in that cooked pasta. Top it with those cooked shrimp. You can give that a squeeze of lemon, but serve it hot and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.